Welcome. In front of me is a Poco F3 and today I will show you how to capture a screenshot on this phone. And to get started, you want to open up the content that you wish to capture. I'm going to be using settings as an example for this, so I'm going to open it up. And once it's open and visible, there's a couple different ways you can capture your screenshot, so I'm going to show both ways. So to get started, simply press power key and volume down at the same time, just a simple click of both of them, like so. You will get a sound of, well, lighter basically, and this little image right here. And if you're capturing your screenshot for the first time, you will have this pop up with an arrow and just telling you what you can do from here. So you have tap to make a scrollable screenshot or send, which is just a way of sharing it. So you can simply tap somewhere else on the screen to get rid of this, and that will not pop up ever again. And whenever you capture a screenshot, it's visible on the screen for a couple seconds. As you can see, at which point it just, well, disappears. So that is one way of capturing a screenshot. Another way, I believe, is using 3 fingers. Yep, so there it is. So you basically use 3 fingers, swipe down on the screen like so, and that captures the screenshot. And now going to the scrollable part, once you tap on the scrollable, as you can see, the device starts scrolling automatically. You can tap on it to stop it from scrolling. And you can also scroll it yourself by just grabbing it and moving it down like you would normally do. So you can precisely move it however far down you want. Once you're satisfied, click on the done. You can also change the size right here, as you can see, grab by the edges. So if it's already a little bit too far down, you can change it. And from there, once you're satisfied, click on the save, and this saves your screenshot. As you've seen, I did capture a bunch of those screenshots, so let's find them, which you can find all of them in your gallery application. Oops, let me go back. In your gallery application, under the album category, and in here you should see screenshots, which I have right here. And there we go, as you can see, all 4 different screenshots. So this is the long one, and then the several normal ones that I have captured. So that is how you can capture screenshots and where you can find them. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.